Oh, hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and it is absolutely freezing. I'll spin the camera around. There you go. The frozen north or the frozen northeast. Right, everybody knows I love commercial vehicles. Well, light commercials. I'm not so bothered about big wagons and stuff. Light commercials. And today I've got something really special for you. And there it is. Take a look at that. 1945 Chevrolet truck. What a beauty. What an absolute stunning show-winning truck. And it has been a show-winning truck in its past. We've just purchased it off a local guy. Had it in his collection for a long time. I think him and his father imported it from New Zealand. I haven't looked into the paperwork, but I think so. And it was restored over in New Zealand, and what a job. It has got a few pitfalls on the paintwork here and there, which we could address if you wanted, if we were going to sell it to you, or you can do that yourself or whatever. So it's not concourse. It looks brilliant there, it looks lovely, but it's got a couple of little bits, and I'll point them out. 30 weight truck, I think it is, or 3500 weight, so today's equivalent would be a Transit. Absolutely, I love these trucks, and the reason I love them is because of the engine that they've got in. They've got that straight 6 petrol engine, same engine they put in the K-Series, the Bedford K-Series wagon. Unburstable, fantastic little engine. And the 6-cylinder petrol engine in that's got plenty of power, absolute plenty of power. Lovely hardwood body. It's just a stunning, stunning rare truck. Right, we'll have a look around. We'll start at the front. What I do like is these headlights. They're moulded into the wings here. And obviously the cheese grater grille, which is synonymous with Chevrolet. Chrome's in really, really good condition. I don't know how much, don't quote us, but I think if you wanted this chrome grille re-chroming today, I'll start again, alphabet 2, triple plate chrome, you would be looking round about £1,500, I would say, to get that grille re-chromed, depending on the condition it was in. So the chrome work, the bright work on the truck is fantastic. Moving around the truck, the wings, the black part of the truck, fantastic. Paintwork on the bonnet, really good. Scuttle panel, good. As we move up onto the roof and come round here, you can't really tell because of the light. There's 1 or 2 little blisters, I need to say that, under the paint. And the same on the doors. There's a couple on the doors, just, you know, and I don't know whether I'll paint them. I really don't. If it was me and it was my truck and I was going to take it to shows, I'd probably leave them because they're negligible. In the door, I don't know, get a sign written, you know, Andrew Hardy Construction, Joe Bloggs, you know, greengrocer or whatever. But I don't know. Moving around the truck again, the little side steps are in really good condition, as is underneath the truck. I've been under the truck and the whole thing's been restored, and it comes with a massive, massive, massive file of bills of everything the truck's had done. Wheels and tyres, they're old, they're a little bit cracked, plenty of tread on them. They look like little split rims. So for those of you who don't know what split rim tyres are and wheels, basically they're a tyre that has a metal band that's knocked on, and that keeps the wheel on, that keeps the tyre on the wheel. Very dangerous if you don't use a tyre cage when you're inflating them. Chassis brilliant, springs good, and look at this body. Like I say, it is gleaming, absolutely gleaming. Lovely hardwood body. Probably one of the best hardwood bodies I've ever seen. Absolutely lovely. Moving around the back of the truck, little tow bar on there, which I doubt is very purposeful, but you might be able to pull a little trailer around to show or something. Got indicators fitted, obviously. Exhaust pipes in good condition. Wheel trims, they're alright, but there's a few dins and dongs on them. They're not as good as the rest of the chrome work on the truck, that's a fact. Moving down this side again, a couple of little blebs. You see them there? Nothing. If you wanted to make a concourse, you've got plenty of lines on the truck. And if you're a painter, you'll know what I mean. So a line is under here. So you would mask that up under there. You would mask around here, around this post here, and that would break your line. Mask down here, mask the rest of the truck off, blow the door in, and flick the roof over. Easy, easy, easy job, and that would make the truck concourse, absolutely concourse. I'll show you inside. There you go. That's the inside. Bare doors, like they would have in the day, so no door cards. If you're wondering what that's off the battery box, and the battery box is underneath the floor there. Lovely big bench seat, nice and roomy truck that. Gearbox on the floor, as is the starter and the handbrake there, you can see. Nice Art Deco dash. Again, very, very much Bedfordish, obviously GMC. We'll have a look at the engine. Look at the bonnet here. Oh, plenty of room to work on. And there's the beast, straight six. Can't remember what horsepower them are. I'm not sure whether they're 28 or 38 horsepower. I can't remember. It's the same engine in the K series truck. I'm sure of that. So we'll move around the front again. Again, I just want to come back and have a look at that. Look at that truck. If that doesn't look £20,000 sitting there, I don't know what does. I'll give in. I'll eat me hat. Well, I might eat it in a minute because I'm hungry. Right, we'll move around and we'll get it started. I've just noticed that it's got a crack in the windscreen there. That wouldn't be a big job because it's a split windscreen, flat piece of glass. Probably cost you about 100 quid. Right, we'll get in it. Right, let's fire it up. Well, if you like this video or any other of the videos that we have on the classic commercials and classic cars, please click the like and subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. It really does make a difference if you subscribe to our channel. It makes us want to just go out there and do some more fun stuff. Bye bye now.